Hey, what is your name? BJ Mays. This your Jeep? Your Jeep Hurricane? Where can it go? It can go through there? Where can it go? Through the trail? Through the trees? All right, well, we're going to see. Come on, show me. Show me where to go. There you go. I see you. Keep going. I see you. Uh-oh. Coming to a cliff. Uh-oh. You gotta go up here. Uh-oh. Woo. Uh-oh. 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 What you finna try? Uh-oh. Let me see you go for it. Woo. Wow. That was great. All right. Wow, you just went through the whole deer lease. Look, we got a deer stand to prove it. All right, good job, BJ. See you later. Bye-bye.